How to create automated emails to new subscribers on MailChimp. So, hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is, of course, to sign in or log into our MailChimp account. But if you do not have one yet, then simply sign up. It's real simple and real quick, and it's actually just for free. Okay, so before we get started, let me just tell you a very brief overview or a background of MailChimp. So, MailChimp is actually an all in one marketing platform that helps you manage and talk to your clients, customers, and other interested parties. So, basically, it helps you organize your new subscribers or like segment the different kinds of groups that comes and goes into your page or into your um, marketing platform. All right, so now here to begin with, we can actually start with making a sign up form. How do we do that? So let's just click on this pencil icon on the left hand side. Now, what we need to look for is the sign up form below Creative Assistant in here. So there are actually three ways. So embedded form, pop-up form, or sign up landing page. So you can actually either use of these three. However, as for me, I would like to use the sign up landing page. Okay, so how do we actually do this? First thing is you need to name your landing page, but you could also do that in a while. But let me just name that Moonstar and select an audience basically. And we have freelance in there, and let's hit on begin. So next is that you will be routed to this page where you can set up an automation and create your first email, basically. Right. So actually, I have already created a landing page a while ago or a few days ago. And in here, we have our landing page. Let's click on that one. And let me show you how the landing page looks like basically. All right, so this is the landing page for people who have just subscribed to our newsletter, for instance, or whatnot. So there, they just need to input their email and then answer the few questions that I have had here, and then click on this button to subscribe. Okay, so the next step that we are going to do is to basically create our first email. Okay, so let's go back. All right. So here you can actually see create your first email. Okay. So let's just click on this drop down and simply create email or our landing page or to new subscribers basically. Right now, let's just wait for our page to load. Now here you can actually choose an email builder. Let's choose the classic one. And then afterwards, you could select a template. All right, so for example, you're going to um, educate. Okay, so here you can use this template right here. And let's just click on this one and hit on let's get started if you want to use this template. Oh, sorry, this is just a template preview mode. Okay, so you actually need to upgrade to a different plan in order for you to make use of that one. So let's make use of the free template in here. Okay, now we have this, and then we can actually simply just edit this out. If you want to add a text, simply just drag it and put it in here. And there your text will be added, and you could input like some words here, and then there you have it. So this is just made for our sample video, so we don't really have to worry that much. Now let's just click on continue, and let's save and close this one. Right, let's click on continue because we've already done this. Right, and let's set this as our default builder. Now let's continue, and it has been successfully saved. All right. So the next process that we are going to do is to simply automate or do our automation this time. So let's go to the left-hand side and look for automation. And here you can see the overview, all journey, pre-built journeys, and transaction email. So what we're going to do is to go to our customer journey. So let's go to all journeys, and then here you could actually see create a customer journey. Let's click on that one. Now it will route us to the next page wherein we are going to choose some pre-built journeys in here. But you could actually start from scratch if you would want to. Just click on this button here on the right hand side. But as for me, I don't want to make use of more time to build from scratch. So I am just going to use a pre-built journey template, and this would be like, for example, um, welcome contacts who subscribe via pop-up form, for instance, or welcome new contacts. So let's say this one, for example. Now this will give you like an idea of what will happen, so the conditions and whatnot. Now for example, we can actually edit this one out. Right, so there. So if you're contented with this one already, then you can actually use this journey simply and click on continue. All right, so the next part would be you can actually add more journey points. Like for example, after the contact signs up to freelance, you can give an if else, a percentage split, wait for trigger, time delay, or send email with survey, for instance, or group and ungroup. So for example, let's have group and ungroup, since we had a group segment in our landing page a while ago, as you saw in there. And then let's select a group. So, for example, the group who likes or whose favorite pop artist is Ariana G. And then the action is simply add, and you just need to save. Great. And then after which you can actually add another journey point. For example, you're going to put an if else statement. So, for example, all campaign activity would be sign up source. Now was not, and then let's have pop up form. Now let's have save. So if yes, you can have 3 day delay, and if not, then you can have contact exits, and that's about it. So you can actually upgrade to continue. So why do we need to upgrade to continue? Because with MailChimp, there are actually different plans that we have here. And for the free account, basically, there is only like limited, um, the limited options or limited things that we can do with a free activity or free plan. So here for free plan, you could actually just simply, here are the benefits of a free plan. Okay. So you can actually only do creative assistant, form and landing pages, basic reporting, analytics, pre-built templates, customer support, and whatnot. So we don't have the email automation basically with our free account. If you want to make use of MailChimp, so you need to subscribe to a plan. Here, you just need to buy now in order for you to upgrade your plan. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and thank you so much for watching.